Hey guys, in this video I am going to suggest you some best horror movies available on Netflix which still you can watch in 2021. Number 7. Don't Listen. This Spanish horror film has ghosts, witches and even delves into Spain's dark past history, with jump scares galore. The movie is directed by Angel Gomez Hernandez. In the Spanish supernatural horror movie Don't Listen, the twist ending resolves the tragic story of a family of property flippers in a small town in the Spanish countryside, but the story of the witch who haunts them is left relatively unexplained. The way the movie ends also makes a statement about the mistakes people make when listening, or rather, not listening, to one another. Number 6. Bulbul. Bulbul is a 2020 Indian Hindi language thriller film written and directed by Anvita Dutt. Set in 19th century Bengal, Bulbul, an aristocratic Thakurin, which means feudal title bestowed upon upper class, landowning caste in ancient India with mysterious aura and condescending smile, has a storm inside her head. On his return from London, Satya Thakur, the male lord of the family, discovers Bulbul's secret liaisons and wonders what she has been hiding. Meanwhile, the village encounters a series of supernatural deaths attributed to a witch. Number 5. Army of the Dead. Army of the Dead is a 2021 American zombie heist film directed by Zack Snyder. A United States military convoy traveling from Area 51 collides with a car on the highway outside Las Vegas. The convoy's cargo, a zombie, escapes, killing and infecting several soldiers before heading into the city. There, they infect most of the city's population. After a military intervention fails, the government quarantines the city. After a zombie outbreak in Las Vegas, a group of mercenaries takes the ultimate gamble by venturing into the quarantine zone for the greatest heist ever. Number 4. Bird Box. Bird Box is an American post-apocalyptic horror film directed by Susanne Bier. Mallory, a woman, and her children embark on a dangerous journey through the woods and down a river to find the one place that may offer sanctuary. When a mysterious force decimates the population, only one thing is certain: if you see it, you die. Number 3. Insidious: The Last Key. Insidious: The Last Key is a 2018 American supernatural horror film directed by Adam Robitel and written by Lee Vanell. The parapsychologist Dr. Eliza Rainier has nightmares with her childhood in New Mexico, where she lived with her brother Christian, her supportive mother Audrey, and her father Gerald, who frequently beats her when she claims that she sees ghosts everywhere in the house. When the client Ted Garza calls Eliza to ask for help since he is haunted since he moved to a house in New Mexico, Eliza refuses the request since the address is the same house where she spent her childhood. However, she changes her mind and accepts the job, and travels with her assistant Specs and Tucker to New Mexico, where they will discover an evil entity in the house. Number 2. Unhuman Kiss. Unhuman Kiss is a 2019 Thai romantic horror film directed by Sitiseri Mongkolsiri. Around the time of the Second World War, villagers in a remote region of Thailand live in fear of a Krisu who devours their cattle every night. At first, they protect themselves by removing any attractions that might lure the ghost into their homes. But when a newborn baby is kidnapped and a girl accidentally becomes a ghost, they decide to take action. A group of outsiders, declaring themselves to be Krisu hunters, also arrive in the village to undertake their own crusade. But the Krisu this time is a teenage girl, Sai, who has a strong bond with her friends and parents, and so the game of pursuit and escape, monster and human, neighbors and outsiders, is also a battle between love and a curse. Number 1. Us. Us is a 2019 American horror film written and directed by Jordan Peele. Accompanied by her husband, son and daughter, Adelaide Wilson returns to the beachfront home where she grew up as a child. Haunted by a traumatic experience from the past, Adelaide grows increasingly concerned that something bad is going to happen. Her worst fears soon become a reality when 4 masked strangers descend upon the house, forcing the Wilsons into a fight for survival. When the masks come off, the family is horrified to learn that each attacker takes the appearance of one of them. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.